Yes. So, hello everyone. Welcome to episode 8.1.
I
And
was
thank you for
starting, sorry, I was starting to think kung should we name our episodes nang wala ng point one. Siguro nakaano na tayo ngayon kung wala tayo ng, if we don't like split like the month into point one and point two. Kailan na tayo ngayon? One, two,
you, di naman malayo,
10.
Franny. Baka 11.
11, o episode 11 na sana tayo. But it's okay.
Yeah.
I'm just being OC.
Yeah. But I love it kasi point two, there's a reason for point two.
Yes.
And I think we have a common theme now. So, of course, watch out for 8.2 because we have another special guest.
Yes.
Guest. So, guess the guest for
Guess. I like that. Maybe we can do that for Nipnok, no? Guess the guest.
Yeah, guess the guest. Yes, for episode 8.2. Kung hindi
Mm-mm.
nyo pa malaman sa mga nangyayari ngayon, hindi ko na alam. Pero, yes. So as I was saying, welcome everyone to episode 8.1, which is all about on the go, being the mommy on the go, whether you're breastfeeding, whether you're pumping, or whether you just like to travel or you have itchy feet like us.
Mm-hmm.
um,
Very
welcome to
itchy.
this episode, and I hope that you learn a lot from our tips. We will talk about some of our essentials, our favorites. We will also talk about um, how light or how heavy of a packer we are.
Yeah. Saan bang
And
category nagpa-fall? Ganon.
yes. And we will also talk about what are the items or products that we usually bring but we never use.
Mm-hmm.
And aside from that, we also have our tips and hacks. If you are flying out with a baby or with a toddler, we have some tips for you. And we will also talk about some burning questions at the end of our episode. And para mas exciting, we can answer some burning questions live. So if you have them, if you have any questions that you want to ask, maybe related to the topic or not, maybe you're just curious about our lives, or
Yeah. You can ask
or
us.
yes, you can ask us anything. An episode will be complete without a giveaway. So syempre meron na naman tayong
Yes. Excited na
which
ba
is
kayo?
related to the on the go, one of our on the go essentials.
Yes.
Yes. So yes, let's talk about I don't know, friend, you can start with personal
Updates.
updates. Yeah. Like
Yeah. How are we? How are you? How am I? Nabaliw na.
so yeah,
Yeah. Go ahead.
medyo ano kami ni Frenny, if you notice. We are working double time on our energy for tonight's episode because we have gone through a lot in the last couple of
Last
weeks.
couple of weeks, days.
Yes,
It's been a
yes.
lot. But this has always been our escape. It's an excuse for us to step away from the norm and, just be out there and do something different. So, I hope you can join us in today's episode. So maybe we can start with personal updates or group
Yes.
updates. For me, sa Wearable Pumps PH, I have or we have as a group identified the new moderators for the group. So an announcement will be coming out soon. I'm very happy with this batch of moderators. I am particularly very interested in working with them kasi syempre we need new blood and we need new people who are experiencing the current challenges no in breastfeeding, and then they can help. So what we're looking for really is or are moms who are willing to help and provide advice in everybody's breastfeeding journeys. Yun. And then personally, so it's been mostly about work. That's why I think Franny and I are kind of a little bit drained with energy. It's all about work. There have been a couple of exciting things that have happened in my personal life, new experiences. Overall happy naman, pagod lang pero happy. Siyempre kailangan natin ng mag-fuel sa day-to-day gastusin natin. So, work is always welcome. What about you, Franny?
Yes. Ay, where do I start? Uh, yeah, so I posted a couple of weeks ago na na-ER nga yung ano. Uh, so actually before that happened, my baby got sick. But before that, hindi bumalik yung yaya ko.
Mm,
So medyo sunod-sunod siya. And aside from that, of course, I also have work on the side. So it's crazy. Lalo na pagka, of course, your little ones get sick. Iba yung ano eh, it's that weird paranoia and
mm-mm.
nagging feeling that sana ikaw na lang yung may sakit, alam mo yun.
Correct.
Uh, yeah, and then we didn't have a good experience at the hospital. So, yeah, medyo, what do you call this? Parang, ano ba yeah, so we were at the ER. Tapos, um, so ilang beses siyang in-IV because they couldn't
Mm-mm.
get a good vein. Um, and and at the same time, super lakas pa ng anak ko. Did you know that there were 5 people pinning him down
Oh my
para
gosh.
lang makakuha, maano siya, ma-IV siya.
Mm-mm.
So that was already heartbreaking in itself.
Yeah.
And it had to be done like 3 times. Pero even then, yung fourth time, prinik na siya sa fingers kasi, what do you call this? Hindi siya makuhanan pa rin.
Mm-mm.
So super hirap. And it just had to be done kasi nag-high fever siya like almost 40.
Oh my gosh.
So it's super scary. So we really had to identify what was going on.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi 'di ba, antibiotics, is it something it's just viral? So it turned out to be viral. Clear naman yung x-ray niya.
Mm-mm.
So which is great. But like he got better like last Sunday, pero ngayon inuubo na naman siya sa sinisipon. So I'm like,
Mm-mm.
yeah, it's just a never-ending stress. And
Yeah.
so what do you call this? And at that time also, I did a social media detox. So I actually do a detox every once in a while. I used to do that like every quarter. Pero kasi now it's more difficult because I have Nipno. And may mga messages ako coming from other moms. So I still try to, respond to them. Pero this time, alam mo when you're a mom, tapos ang dami mo naiisip na kailangan mong gawin. But because you can't do a lot of things, parang you go crazy. Or parang nauusi ka na hindi mo nagagawa lahat, di ba? So I had to give up or I had to prioritize, my routine. At that point, sabi ko, okay, I'll deal with family first. I need to make sure that everything's great, and all that. So I said I'll pause Nipnok first. And so I rested for parang 5 days yata. So I turned hinide ko yung mga apps ko and then I turned off all my notifications. Kaya up to now, actually, naka-off pa rin yung notifications ko because there's just that additional piece um, pagka wala masyadong naghahanap sa'yo. Parang ganon. I don't know how I don't know if that makes sense. Pero yeah, I had to parang prioritize myself first and the family first, of course, so that I can be better. So yun. So before I used to do that, actually super nice kasi you really won't realize how much time you spend in social media.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. And like up to this day, actually meron pa rin akong timer. Like I only have like 30 minutes a day
Mm-mm.
to do social media. But that's like for my personal account. Like for doom scrolling, ganyan. So hindi ka na masyado kasing ginagawa yan eh. Ngayon, I just do my content for Nipnok and that's about it.
Mm-mm.
So if you notice, hindi rin ako masyado ma-reply sa comments, ganyan, because I'm also trying to, manage my brain
Screen
cells
time.
and my screen time as well.
Mm.
So yun. So yeah, that's like more of a personal update for me. It's so parang natutunan ko din and I wanted to share na, you have to be kinder to yourself. Kasi super dami.
Yes. Tama, tama. Na-overstimulate ka na, 'di ba? Kasi parang everything is going on all at once, tapos parang the noise and everything. Kaya ano din ako, hindi din ako ma-social media. Like, I would siguro doom scrolling for like a while, or until I
Mm.
fall asleep. Pero like actively being on social media, I stopped that kasi umabot ako sa point na really I would compare myself to people, and like internal yung struggle kasi parang you see, oh, they have this relationship with whoever, right? They're friends, they have a lot of friends, they go out ganyan, and I
Mm-mm.
can't do that because my priorities are different. And even if you chose this, you chose this path, right? I chose this path na mas priority ko maging mas present sa family and all that.
Mm-mm.
But then still, parang merong naging feeling inside na talagang ano sa'yo, na parang pulling you towards that direction na um, to want the same kind of things that other people are doing. So parang it adds to the pressure. So tama yan. I'm happy that you were able to do that for yourself. And kahit medyo may sakit-sakit pa si Titan yan, at least he got better somehow at nawala yung fever niya, which is what's important, because yun
Yeah.
talagang hardest for a mom to see, your kid bleeding, bleeding or being pricked or being hurt or crying, 'di ba? Iba yung effect sa atin, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Sabi ni Mommy Zairine, I also have a small circle. Are you okay, Franny? She has a small circle, but with that, she has peace. I agree 100%. Keep your circle small, 'di ba? Those who truly understand you, those who truly care about you, doesn't have to be big. Before, when I was younger, I used to be very pressured about being, in the in group, in the popular group, ganyan, but it's not really important. So, yun,
Yes.
importante, people who really care about you.
That's true. On a lighter note, um, yes, so we've finished. Actually, natutuwa ako kasi I've already finished booking the staycation winner. Ano ba yun? Tapos may tears pa ako. Hindi, pero happy na ako.
It's just, you need it. You need to release it, di ba?
Yeah, yeah. So yun, so nag-book na ako and it's in Batangas. So I'm so happy for her and she's gonna have some time with her family. Ganyan. So yeah, super happy ako for her. So she won the overnight staycation for our Nip Nook Made Me Do It campaign. So I'm super happy kasi
Super
um
fun.
yes. Tsaka nakakatuwa kasi I'm sure that some moms kung may extra sila, siguro they'll spend it for their babies. Like we
Yes.
always do that, 'di ba? Pero
Mm-mm.
at least ito, like I'm just happy to be able to give a time for her and her family to enjoy.
Yes.
So, natuwa lang ako dun.
Well deserved. Well deserved.
Yes, yes. And then we also finished our giveaway in wearable breast pump speech. You had the one and our Jujubee bags.
Yeah. The mommies are
Yes,
very, very happy. Please use it. Please enjoy using it. If
yes.
you want to brag about it in Nipnock and Wearable Pumps PH, go ahead. we we encourage you. Nipnock made me do it. Ganyan, di ba?
Yes. Alam
Ayun.
mo, mas lalo ako naiiyak pag may mga nagtatanong, are you okay? Ganyan. Okay lang ako, mommies. Thank you. Hindi ko kasi
Yes.
binabasa yung comment kasi I know that I'll be more emotional eh. Pero
Oo.
nakita ko lang siya, but I'm okay. I'll be fine.
Yes.
It's also the time of the month, so that's not helping either.
Oh, it's the hormones. But
Yes,
mommies,
yes.
yung kanta ni Taylor Swift yung recent, yung I Can Do It With a Broken Heart, parang it's our anthem, no? I used to think it's our anthem at work, because you just need to function, but it's also our anthem as moms. Like, it's not really broken heart as in iniwanan ka ng jowa mo or something, right? But in your down moments, when you're in your very vulnerable moments, you can still do it with a broken heart. So, wala, nagre-resonate lang sa akin talaga yung song na yun.
Yes.
Taylor
I
Swift.
love I love that song too. And speaking of Taylor Swift, super excited ako kasi meron na tayong Me Time stickers.
Oh.
Um, yes, it's gonna be released soon.
Mm-hmm.
Natutuwa ako kasi kaka-finish lang siyang gawin with all the colors and the art. But of course, there will be a couple of mommies. A couple lang kasi
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna be very exclusive.
Limited
Um,
edition.
limited edition. Super cute niya. Pero I'll ask muna the artist if I can post it na. Pero super excited ako.
Yeah.
Super, super duper excited. Yeah, I'm so excited.
Kinilig ako. I actually
Yeah.
forgot about it, that we were gonna talk about it. Pero when I saw how it looks like, sabi ko, di ba sabi ko sa'yo, ilalagay ko to sa laptop ko.
Oo. Ako kasi I don't put stickers on any of my
Mm-mm.
stuff. Pero
Yeah,
ito,
for sure. Nasa na
for
yan,
sure.
di ba?
For sure I will, yes. Ayun. And then we also have our current giveaway, which is a September giveaway. We are doing, ano ba yun? Super dami na nilimutan ko. Ayun, Think Milk Light Pro.
Mm-hmm.
I've been slacking, but the reviews are gonna be out soon. So it was a little tricky lang kasi doing the review of that because the pump and I think the lactic flanges need a
Mm-hmm.
separate review of their own.
Ah,
So
really?
kaya gusto ko siyang paghiwalayin.
Mm-hmm.
So yun. So but that's gonna be released soon. And then we're doing the giveaway with Shadrach. So we have this baby carrier, the Shadrach Airy. I actually met Mommy Jen during the Edda Mama event in Mega Mall. So nung kami nagkakilala, we talked for a bit, ganyan. And I bought one of the giveaways from there, which is not today,
Mm-hmm.
but stay tuned.
In the
And
future.
then in the future, yes. And then she gave me the Shadrach Airy to be given away for our Nipnook moms. So um that's why we have the Shadrach Airy now for giveaway. And then for the last week of September, we also have the Wise Mom Pro.
Mm-mm.
Naalala ko kasi, Frenny, that's like my first hospital grade. Do you remember?
Yes.
Because it was from you.
Yes, oo. Naalala ko yun. Di
Yeah,
ba?
super dami ng output ko doon actually.
Ang lakas lang niya, di ba?
Yes, ang lakas niya. Tapos natutuwa ako kasi small things like yung on and off button niya sa likod.
Mm-mm. Oo.
Nasabi ko, hindi ko sure kung techie ba to or hindi. Pero may on and off. Nagulat ako.
Yeah. Lakas ng ano nga nun, malakas siyang mag-express ng milk. What I really yun lang talaga, I stored it because of the tubes. And talagang,
Mhm.
wearable pumps. Talagang yun ang goal ko from the start. Parang, I need to find a wearable pump, ganyan. I need to get
Yeah.
rid of the tubes, yun. But it's really a good pump, no? If you're the type of mama who doesn't really mind, tubes and wires and all that. Pero yun.
Yes.
It's also very sleek. Yung itsura niya very classy. The black um motor is very classy. So, ayun. So exciting, super, super exciting.
Mm-mm.
You get that for September, right? September giveaway.
Mm-mm. Yes. And then for our giveaway for tonight, we are giving this
There we
Super Mama
go.
Lab insulated cooler bag for the on the go mommies that we have for tonight. So you have to be an active listener and wait for our giveaway question for tonight. So, ayun.
Yes. Wait for the
Um,
cue. Yan. Ang ganda
yes,
niya, super.
yes.
Very chic.
Yeah, it's very chic.
Very, very
And I
chic.
like na yung colors niya. It's neutral
Mm-hmm.
and it is different compared to what we're used to.
Mm-mm.
Although I haven't tried this myself yet.
Mm-mm.
So if ever you win this tonight, let me know how it goes. And yeah, and
It has
congrats in
pockets, no?
advance. Oh, it has pockets here sa
Nice.
harap. Tapos, meron din.
Sa gilid.
Actually, alam niyo, mommies, hindi ko pa siya na-explore because literally, I just unpacked it kanina. Like, ito pa yung plastic. Okay. When did I
Super
buy
brand
this?
new pa yan.
Sa Trinoma. I
Mm-mm.
did an edamame giveaway before and walang nakahula nito. So that's
Mm-mm.
why I will give this tonight. Give this away tonight. Yun.
And if you've tried it, if you have this, please let us know.
Yes.
We're happy to hear more about the insulated bag kasi syempre we're all about holistic supplies for mommies,
Mhm.
'di ba? When I was pumping before, ang dami kong gripes. Kunwari parang kasi I'm on the go all the time. Tapos parang
Mhm.
kailangan speedy pumping and then pagkatapos pack ng mabilis, hugas ng mabilis, ganyan. So my wish was I hope there was a bag that was targeted at really on the go moms, ganyan. So I hope
Yeah.
this is the insulated bag for the on the go moms.
Mhm.
Is that a backpack? I don't know. I don't think so,
It's not a
no?
backpack. It's a sling, no, not sling bag actually. It's more of a,
It's the top
ano tawag
handle.
dito? Top
Top
handle bag.
handle, yes.
Yes. Correct. Top handle bag.
Handbag.
Oo, handbag. Actually, it's cute because it doesn't look like an insulated bag.
Yeah.
So,
Alam mo yun ang ano ko,
ganyan lang siya kalaki.
in 2019, 'di ba?
Mhm.
2019 when we gave birth, ang insulated bags are yung mukhang baonan. Ganyan.
Correct.
Kaya ang hirap, parang you have no choice, parang walang chic options out
Mm.
there. So this one looks, yes, it looks very classy, it looks very chic.
Correct. Yes.
So with that said, our
Uh-huh.
topic is breastfeeding on the go. Yeah, breastfeeding, actually not just breastfeeding on the go, but packing for stuff when you're on the go, when you're traveling, what do you need to prepare for, ganyan. But first, let's identify what type of packer are you. Ikaw, Franny, what type of packer are you? So we have light packers, no? um
Yes.
Moderate packers. So light packers are the ones that just pack essentials, you fit everything in one bag. May one bag policy kayo sa bahay, ganyan.
Mhm.
Moderate packers pack a little bit of an extra. You can do like two bags maybe. And then of course, you have the overpackers. A day's worth of extra. So laging merong extra day. You're super organized. Ganon. And it's, kind of the crazier side of packing.
Wait,
Crazy. That's me.
walang ano to, mommies ha, walang judgment to. Okay?
Mhm.
Kasi kaya namin sinabi that it's the crazier side of packing because we are crazy.
Yes. Like anal when it comes to packing stuff.
Yes. So
Tsaka
kami
for,
yung crazy
oo,
sa pagpapack ng bags.
yes. And for those who are listening or who have been sukis of me time, you know that I have my trusty labeler. Ganun ako crazy. Label everything. Ganyan. Kahit yung
Correct.
cord may label. Ganyan.
Yes. So ako, actually hindi naman akong hindi, oh no, nagli-label din ako. Pero
Mm-mm.
for to, for toiletries kasi you put them in travel friendly what do you call this? Size
Packs.
containers, right?
Mm-mm.
So, syempre, you have to label them. So, pero up to that point,
Mm-mm.
yes. So, I don't know my friend here kung hanggang saan, pero
Mm. Monograms, initials.
yes, yes. Ayun, ako I haven't done that. So, yeah.
I like
So,
everything with labels.
oo, true. Ayan, may mga mommy dito na overpacker until makita daw ni husband, tapos pinapabalik yung mga sobra.
Oo. 'Di ba?
Kanina yun eh, yeah. Ako parang laging pa-camping. Pero kapag small bag, ang dala, yes. Tsaka naman, meron need gamitin na hindi dala.
Mm, true yan. So, so what type of packer are you? Light, moderate, or overpacker?
I think, Frenny, and I think this is a disclaimer din, na kapag ka meron kang baby, or if you're traveling with a toddler, talagang it's safe to say that you're an overpacker because you just want to be prepared for everything. I think that that's the mentality of it, right? You just want to be ready for everything. But then our husbands will make us realize otherwise na sila yung mag-neutralize namin. Like ako, kunwari, asawa ko naman, sasabihin niya sa akin na it's okay not to bring some of the extras, lalo na kung hindi naman talaga crucial or what. if kailangan, baka mamaya mabili lang din natin doon, you know? So versus stressing over it, maybe we can just buy it there. Baka naman extra diapers lang yan. Or, you know, minsan kasi dinadala ko yung buong bag ng diaper.
Guilty. I'm guilty.
Di ba? And you know how they are? Parang ang bulky niya, super. Di
Mm-mm.
ba? So may overnight lang kami sa family sa Manila. Tapos meron kaming dalang maleta for the three of
Mm-mm.
us. And
Yes.
a big side of that is for the diapers.
Mm-mm. Ako in
So
general, overpacker din ako. I will not elaborate further. I think you know what I mean.
yes, yes. Yeah, so let's talk about the
Mhm.
breastfeeding essentials or, you know, the
Yes.
on-the-go essentials. And mommies, we're gonna share, or Franny here will post it in the comments para you can copy if you want to have your own checklist,
Yes.
and if you want to have, parang ano na, cheat sheet,
Mm-hmm.
then you can also copy our what do you call this? Our list of essentials that we're gonna comment there. See, may mga nakaka-relate sa maleta. Oh,
Hindi tayo
stay.
alone.
Hindi tayo alone.
You know,
Pero,
y- pag nag-overnight kami, maleta talaga. Kahit one night lang. Tapos, yung my neutralizer husband would pack. Tapos sobrang konti lang nun sa kanya. Tapos akin, personal to ha. It would eat up like, siguro one, siguro mga isang part and kalahati. Part niya.
grabe,
So,
friend.
ganun ako ka-overpacker.
I think, and alam mo, friend, naisip ko lang So,
Mm-mm.
I think this is also for other moms. So, as your child gets older, you get better at packing.
Yeah.
So, kunwari ako before, iniisip ko, ano ba yung mga pwede kong ibahin dito that will
Mm-hmm.
make our lives easier? So, for example, like before, dinadala ko pati yung crib at saka yung, yung mattress. Tapos, before, dala-dala ko fair yung mattress ng crib as in yung hindi pa na-fold. So,
Oo.
dala-dala ko yan nung nag-US kami. Imagine sa airport, dala-dala mo yung mattress. Tsaka yung foldable crib.
Kamusta naman sa pila yon, Frenny?
Oo. Tapos ang ginawa ko after, kailangan ko ng mas maliit na mattress. Okay, so bumili ako ng na-fold na mattress into three. So mas maliit na siya, hindi na siya ganun ka-OA. Hindi na mas nakakahiyang dalhin. And then eventually, I thought, kailangan ko ng kama na hindi, what do you call this? Na-distract ako.
Kailangan ko ng
kailangan ko
kama
ng
na.
kailangan ko ng bed na hindi na ganun ka-OA. So
Oo.
when I saw this inflatable bed from Stoka,
Mm-mm.
I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, Stoka Philippines. So yun, sabi ko, oh my God, kasya na siya sa maleta. So as
Mm-mm.
you get, you know, if if you do this all the time, mommies, you're gonna get better at it.
Yes.
So parang ako. And at the same time, magastos.
You know, maabot ka lang naman dun sa point na yun kapag ka nasa-stress ka na eh. 'Di ba? Na parang, kunwari, sige, you have to bring everything kasi nga, tayo, mother packers. So we bring everything tapos nandun na tayo sa point na parang there has to be a better way to do this. Dapat baka mas may efficient na product out there. So ayan, bili ka ng bili, ganon.
Yes.
'Di ba?
Oo. Yes. So dahil dyan, Franny, I will just
Mhm.
share my screen so they can copy.
Yes, go ahead.
Oo. So mommies, do you see my screen? I am sharing now the breastfeeding essentials.
Mhm.
Take a screenshot. Although I will also post this tonight. Para kunwari, if you want to copy and have a cheat sheet of your own,
Mhm.
you can screenshot it and yun, you can copy this from when you have to go. So for our breastfeeding essentials, of course. So by the way, this is for the moms who have their babies with them and yung mga nagpapalatch.
Mhm.
Yan. So you have to be ready with some of these essentials
Mhm.
for when you're traveling with your baby. Although siya naman is there to latch. So one of them,
Yes.
of course, is like you have the nursing cover. We'll just go through all of them first. We have the breastfeeding ready clothes. So this is very important. Okay.
Mhm.
I don't know about you, pero pagka kunwari hindi breastfeeding ready yung clothes mo, super hirap niya. And
Yes.
it's really a hassle to make your baby latch.
Mhm.
And then the nursing pads, which Franny used over here,
Yes.
yon, pati
Yeah.
washable bra pads. Go.
Oo, you need that. So if you're eco-conscious, kasi diba may disposable nursing pads and then there are the reusable ones na cloth and cotton, ganyan. So I started with the disposable ones kasi nagli-leak ako.
Mhm.
Yung pagli-leak ko, umabot, pag nakakita ako ng baby, pag nakakita ako ng baby, pag nakarinig ako ng baby na umiiyak, maglilik ako. So, whether I'm with my baby or not, it would happen. So, I need to have it in me all the time. But then, napagod ako kakabili kasi ang mahal ng disposable one. So, I transitioned into the washable pads, which you can buy as a baby company. It's relatively cheap, but make sure you pick one na cotton, like 100% cotton kasi it will be uncomfortable. Yung hindi mo, pagka bumibili ka, hindi mo maiisip kung comfortable or uncomfortable pa ba, diba? Pero based on my experience, I really looked for something na talagang soft, tapos hindi scratchy yung cotton niya, yung material. So,
Mhm.
I found some sa baby company, I forgot the brand, pero you can inspect kung before you buy, inspect niyo muna, touch it, understand muna kung is it going to be comfortable or not. Kasi sayang, if you buy, like, I bought a lot tapos hindi comfortable. I just ended up throwing them all away kasi maiirita lang din yung ibang mom. So, yun.
Yeah.
So, important that you have that as well.
Yes. And of course,
Okay.
if you
Mm-hmm.
encounter wounds,
Yes.
importante that you always have a nip cream ready and
Mm-hmm.
shields as well. Kasi pag tumatama siya sa intimate apparel, masakit.
Yes.
Super sakit niya. So it's
Mm-hmm.
important to have them ready. And then, of course, you have the Ziploc or the washable bags. So si Franny yan, mahilig yan sa Ziploc.
Yes. So, kung ang tawag dito, pag nag-grocery kami ng husband ko, tapos wala na akong stock ng Ziploc, bibili talaga ako ng Ziploc bags. Even until now, I am a Ziploc girl kasi kailangan yan for anything
Mhm.
and everything.
Yes. Ako naman, I have the washable bags. Actually, I've been using this for like 4 years na, 5 years. I forgot what it's called, but I'll post it na lang. And then the water-based wipes.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi kapag naglalatch, it's important na hindi scented yung mga ginagamit na wipes natin to
Yes.
wipe, you know, your
And you clean after
ladies.
feeding. Clean after feeding, di ba?
Yes. Clean after feeding. That's true.
Yes. Because sometimes mommies, and this is why it's important to clean after feeding. Kasi sometimes parang, even if you're at home lang ha, kasi sometimes it's the one that causes clogs. Yung natuyo na ng milk. Sometimes it's that, sometimes
Mm,
it's dun sa ducts mismo, sa loob, di ba? Pero minsan it's just that, yung hindi clean, may namuo yung milk and then yun, ando na siya. Tapos mas-stuck siya for, yung titigas siya dun. Stressful.
yes. Uh-huh, uh-huh. And then we also have the baby carrier. So if you're like, you're someone who really wants to have a hands-free breastfeeding experience, carrier is also helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi diretso latch na siya.
Yes. Alam mo, ito yung winish ko. So, when I gave birth in 2019, we were talking about Shadrach earlier. When I
Mhm.
gave birth in 2019, my good friend Gladys, she gifted me a Shadrach sling. Um, in the pattern that I really love, it's a houndstooth Shadrach sling. I used it like for a while, pero I wish, parang I've dreamt of having the other Shadrach, yung airy, pero wala pang
Mhm.
ganun no, nung time na yun. So, yun yung hinahanap ko. Tapos parang na-overwhelm na lang ako sa dami ng choices out there. I joined like baby carrier groups, ganyan. Pero
Mhm.
na-overwhelm ako sa choices. Tapos I ended up not buying na lang. I bought a Saya carrier, which was very helpful for me too. Pero medyo finicky siya ikabit versus, the Shadrach Airy. So, Yun, pick your carrier, but bring one kasi very, ano siya, convenient to have, especially when you're traveling with your baby and you're breastfeeding also.
Yeah. Actually, yung sa akin, baby Kitan. Kitan ba yun? But it's
Mm-mm.
also like the sling one.
Mm-mm.
Kaya lang ang bigat kasi ng anak ko eh. So, parang meron
Yeah.
akong trust issue sa carrier na yun.
Yes.
Not because of the brand, pero I just don't know. Parang feeling ko lang baka mahulog siya or something.
Mm-mm. So wait,
Um,
no?
Ako sa weight. So, kaya hindi ko siya masyadong ginamit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's move on to the pumping essentials. And somebody mentioned earlier yung portable sterilizer. So
Mm-hmm.
agree naman dyan, mommy. Earlier we were talking about the breastfeeding essentials, which is if dala mo naman yung baby mo, and the thought of just only latching really. So this one is for the pumping essentials. And we use these essentials mostly, for example, ako hindi ko kasama yung baby ko.
Mm-mm.
Sometimes I travel with my husband, ganyan, tapos hindi namin kasama yung anak namin. And then these are the essentials that I bring with me. So number one, obviously, is the pumping bra. So I put this on the list and number one because I've experienced na um, hindi ako
Normal.
ready sa pagpapump and I just used a normal one.
Mm-hmm.
So sobrang hirap magpump when you are wearing the usual one.
Yes.
It's such a hassle. So I ended up just holding the pumps myself.
Mm-mm.
Kasi
Yung
mahirap.
nakaipit na gano'n.
Oo, nakaipit na
Nakaipit ng
gano'n. Or
gano'n.
wala, hawak ko na lang gano'n. Wala akong ibang
Oo.
magawa. So obviously not hands-free experience, but I was just holding them. And if you are pumping in the office or somewhere public, you also need a nursing coffee for that.
Mm-hmm.
And then breast milk bags or bottles, and don't forget the pen. Madalas nakakalimutan ang
Yes.
pangsulat.
You need to mark those milk bags.
Yes. Yep. And then ice packs and insulated bags. So that's why we're giving this away for tonight. Kasi if ever
Yes.
you are traveling, if you're also on the go, this bag might be very helpful for you or can be helpful for you, especially if you go to the office, if you're back to work. Diba, you can store your milk there. Yun. And then, Franny, do you want to do the rest?
Yeah, of course you have to bring your wearable breast pump. Ako talagang super fan ako ng wearable breast pump because you don't have to look for basta charged yung wearable pump mo ha. You don't have to look for sockets, ganyan, but you bring it because it's so handy. There are hybrid pumps out there na wearable cups but you also have the motor and all that. That's also convenient to bring. Hindi siya hassle. So make sure to bring extra parts as well for your wearable breast pump para hindi ka mahirapan sa washing and storing and all that. And then, if wala ka namang wearable breast pump, I use this pagka kunwari nagde-date kami ng asawa ko. Nung kakapanganak ko pa lang, I bring a silicone catcher. So it could be the manual breast pump if you're more comfortable doing that. Pero ako kasi parang enough na sa akin yung silicone catcher. And then pagdating ko ng bahay, doon ako mag-mega pump. Ganon. Pero just to get everything out there na hindi ako magka-clog box, nagsi-silicone catcher ako. It's small, like the Hakas and, the others. It's small, you put it in a Ziploc bag, you bring breast milk bags with you, and then you're good to go, diba? So yun, kung gusto mo ng small bag lang yun, bring a silicone catcher instead of a wearable breast pump. And then sterilizer with dryer, very important, especially if you're going overnight. Say may function kayo or may date kayo ng husband. Si Franny, mahilig silang before nag-date sila somewhere, ganyan. Punta sila
Mhm.
ng hotel, yan. Shangri-La, ganyan.
Yes.
Yun.
May pag-mention ng hotel.
Oo, kasi kasi maganda, gano'n.
Oo, hindi. Yes, before, kunwari merong work-related
Mm.
event
Function.
yung asawa ko, yes. Sumasama ako. Pagka kunwari I needed a break or I want alone time with him, yan.
Mm.
Sumasama ako. And then, dala ko lahat yan. And
Mm.
then it's also important that I check the hotel kung meron silang freezer. Kasi
Yes.
doon naka-store ang aking mga milk.
Yeah. There was it's a good hotel, ha? Di ko na mention, but it's a good hotel, but I was disappointed kasi yung freezer nila is not freezing. So, nasayang yung breast milk ko. So, confident pa naman ako kasi 'di ba good hotel siya. So, in this case, what I would suggest, and we were talking about it earlier, is for you to bring parang ano tawag dito? Aside from what do you call this? Aside from the insulated ice, parang maganda na meron kang Ceres Chill. Um, na it's an insulated storage that it can store your it can store your milk for hours. Hindi siya yung ano yun na natutunaw yung ice basta-basta. So you could do that. Nung time ko, meron akong Coleman. So alam to ni so I saw an old office mate comment na naalala niya yung lunchbox na dala ko because the lunchbox is the Coleman na Coleman na ice box. Yun yung dala-dala ko lagi. Tapos may ice packs and all. Yan. Doon kasi na-store yung milk, yung breast pump parts, ganyan. So you need to bring storage space also or storage items for like long haul stuff. But later we'll talk about that. Sterilizer with dryer, there are a lot of brands out there. Franny, di ba meron ka nito? Yung yung bag.
59S.
Oo, yun. Ganda yun. So,
Actually, yung sa akin, hindi siya yung bag eh. Yung actual sterilizer and dryer na may handle.
oh,
It's
yung
called 59S. Tapos, meron siyang sterilizing and drying function at the same
Yung
time.
may fan.
Oo, may fan talaga siya. Tapos may
Mm-mm.
UV, ganyan.
Oo.
Pero in the long run, ano ba ginawa ko? Hindi ko na ay hindi, bumili pala ako ulit. Nasira yung hindi, pero kasi super, ano niya super convenient.
Oo,
Kasi
true yan.
it's just, actually, it's just a little bigger than this. Or parang ganito siya, yan.
Mm-mm.
Pero ganitong size lang din, yan.
Oo.
So you can put like one set or one and a half sets of pump parts sa loob.
Mm-mm. That's nice.
Tapos, yun. Yes.
Oo.
And I also use that as storage. So yung mga spare parts ko, doon na rin nakalagay when I'm traveling.
Yeah. Ako naman, I bought the I forgot the brand, pero yun fold. Plastic siya. Plastic silicone, tapos may dryer sa loob. So that's na-fold siya, fold flat. No, well, not actually, not very flat. Mga ganito siya kakapal
Mm.
kapag na-fold siya. Pero, ayun, I use it also as storage. Pero, yun yung ultimate dream ko before, nasa wishlist ko yan to get the 59S, the bigger one, kasi yun talagang yung heavy duty, ganun. Tsaka folds
Yeah.
flat. Yun yung gusto ko
Mm.
before.
Yeah.
Okay, and then lastly, we have the portable bottle cleaning set and soap. Nipnock has a review on this kasi tried and tested to, no?
Mhm.
Brand and also variant. But
Yes.
bring it. It's very portable kasi you need to wash your pump parts. Hindi pwede mga minsan, hindi pwedeng i-recycle. So if once you use it, you have to clean it kasi mapapanis na yung milk nun kahit ilagay mo sa ref, mapapanis yung milk. Kasi 3 hours lang yung um, shelf life ng milk. If you put it in the regular refrigerator, no? So, kapag ni-recycle mo siya, ayun na, may syempre contaminated na yung milk.
Yes. Yes. Yep. So before I used Oxatot, the on-the-go cleaning set, favorite ko yun. Like up to now, I still have it.
Mm-mm.
Kasi it's not just for your pump parts, pero also the bottles of your baby.
Yes.
Pati pang utensils niya and all that, like I use that.
Tapos it folds,
So,
di ba? Parang
mm-mm,
pag naka-set up siya, ayan, full set siya, may sabitan and everything, no?
mm-mm.
Pero once you pack it, it's just really flat. It's very easy to carry.
Yes, so before, what do you call this? Oo, kasi pag when you open it, it can be used as a drying rack as well.
Mm-mm.
So that's why I like it. Yes, so that's it for the pumping essentials. And then we also have the other stuff for the toddlers and for the non-breastfeeding moms.
Mm-hmm.
Um, this is like in general kung ano yung mga pwede nyong dalhin, di ba? Or for your kids. So we have like the change of clothes for the baby and of course their diapers and their lampins, ganyan. We also have toys, which were very specific here. These are different set
Mm-mm.
from what they see at home. So, syempre, if you want them entertained, you have to give them something new or you have to do something new for them.
Interesting,
Um,
yeah.
yes, kailangan interesting. And then you also have to have books, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, and of course, kailangan ng snacks and water
Yes, don't forget.
bottle.
Magme-meltdown ang mga anak kapag walang
Yes.
snacks and water
Actually,
bottle.
kapag ka kunwari, nag-iikot kami, laging snacks ang lifesaver ko
Mm-mm.
pagka when they get bored.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
So, snacks and water bottle talaga.
Yeah. That's true even if hindi na sila toddler ha. Parang kahit hindi na sila baby. My second who is 10, he's always
Mm-hmm.
hungry. So kapag
Yes.
nabore siya, kakain siya, ganyan. So when we're in a car and tapos long trip, ganyan, there has to be food kasi magugutom siya talaga. While ginagawa namin, we buy kasi para fresh yung food and all that. Pero if
Yeah.
mas snack yung kids ninyo, or if you're in a place where, if you're doing a long drive and you're in a place where wala ka madadaan ng Petron, Shell, or Caltex or whatever,
Mhm.
it helps keep the tantrums at bay. Ayun. And then, of course, we have the barf bag. And again, Ziploc bags, my best friend for soiled diapers. Kasi you want to be sensitive about, throwing stuff. Kahit trash can yan, no? Kahit, sa CR ng girls, it will smell. And my kids kasi they have very stinky soiled diapers. So I want to be sensitive and I put them in a Ziploc bag para hindi siya toxic waste. Hindi nila isiping
Yes.
toxic waste, ganyan. And then of course, barf bag is for, times where hindi, it's, you can't help it na magbabiyahe kayo, kailangan ng emergency, no? We always have this up until now, kahit yung sando bag lang na handy,
Mm-mm.
it's always in the glove compartment para, for emergencies. Kahit hindi siya barf bag, trash bag also serves as well. So, ayun. So, we have
Yeah.
that handy all the time.
And
Okay. Yeah.
yes, and then the wellness kit, which involves, some extra meds,
Mm-hmm.
yung parang first aid kit, syempre mga wipes,
Yes.
andyan na rin, right?
Mm-mm.
And then aside from that, you also have the safety blankets, toys, and white noise. So meron kasi mga baby na, of course they want to bring their own stuff. Like
Mm-mm.
ako, merong particular pillow na gusto yung anak ko.
Yes.
And he can't sleep in a different place nang walang white noise. So
Mm.
kailangan meron talagang white.
Yeah.
And then Frenny, your favorites.
My favorite, kasi as a praning mom, while there's no scientific study about the effectiveness of air purifiers or whatnot, I still bring yung UV Care and Alair, especially when we were in the plane. Tapos tinanong ako ng off topic, pero tinanong ako ng flight attendant, what's that? What's that? Sabi ko, it's an air purifier. Sabi niya, interesting. Akala ko i-confiscate. Pero yun, short flight lang siya kasi. Pero I was so proud kasi my youngest, kasi he's autistic, no? He doesn't like masks. Hindi siya naglalagay ng ganun. So,
Mhm.
best efforts na lang for me to try and protect him. So, the praning in me, I still bring the air purifier, the Alair and the UV Care. Or I have both of them, pero love them both. Ayun. And then of course we have the stroller, yung if you're riding the airplane, look for one and yung na-fold na maliit na maliit. We have that. We used to have that and a baby carrier. So yung tried and tested ko na brand would be the Akiva stroller. Na-fold siya pwede siya dun sa pwede siya dun sa, what do you call that? Whatever. Basta yung shelf dun sa plane. Yun.
Cabin.
Yon, cabin. So, pwede
Yeah.
siyang hand carry. Yan. You don't have to check it in. But it's been very helpful for us. Kahit sa car lang. Kasi we used to have a small car. So, it doesn't eat up too much space.
They always say na pwede sila sa cabin, pero lagi nilang kinukuha sa gate.
Really? You,
Yes, oo.
bakit ganun
Pero
ano?
I don't know about the super small ones.
Mm-mm.
Kaya lang, madalas, laging kinukuha.
Oo.
For example, yung sa akin, I use the looping squiz.
Mm-hmm.
Tapos, sanabi naman sa ano na pwede siya sa cabin, ganyan. But they always get it. They always So, okay lang naman, which of course you don't use it naman inside the
Yeah.
plane. Kaya lang they still get it. Tapos, kukunin mo lang siya sa destination. Pero sa labas din naman ng gate.
Mm-mm.
Although sometimes, nandun na siya sa may carousel. Which is annoying, pero it's okay.
Yeah. Yun. So it depends, no? Depende siguro sa
Mm-mm.
airline. Sometimes they're not as consistent as others. So there. That
Yes.
is
Some of the our list for the essentials.
yeah.
Marami pang extras. Pero
Yes.
Mommy April here is asking kung ano yung brand of it. Ng sterilizer or air
It's
purifier.
UV Care. Yeah, ano ba yan? UV Care. Yung ang tagal ng battery nun eh. It's really small. And then I also have the Alair, the white one, yung Alair, I forgot what it's called. Pero Alair na maliit, ganun na siya kalaki. Ang ayoko lang sa Alair, it's so hard to pack kasi it's diamond shape. Yun. Unlike yung UV Care, you can just pop it in the bag. Yan.
Agree. Tapos, Frenny, meron tayong maraming mga dinala na hindi naman natin ginamit.
Oo.
So, kayo din, mommies, whenever you go on trips, what are some of the things that you bring pero hindi nyo naman talaga nagagamit? Can you
Mm-mm.
comment? And also let
Yeah.
us know. Kasi kami, may mga dinadala din kami. So, what are some of yours, Frenny?
Yeah. Mine, alam mo, nagdala ako ng nail cleaning kit. It would be on my bag, in my diaper bag, all the time. Kahit punta lang kami sa therapy, kahit punta lang kami sa yung malapit lang grocery, ganyan, nasa bag ko pa rin siya, ganun. That's one of them. Ayan. Tapos,
Pero, alam mo,
oo.
Frenny, um, natatawa ako kasi never ako nagdala ng mga nail clipper unless, kunwari, may trip kami na 2 weeks kami na doon. Of course,
Oo.
you'll bring one, right? Pero, ito yung siguro dapat kong dinadala kasi yung anak ko mahilig magkutkot ng mga nails.
Mm-mm.
Yung mga hangnails. So, I guess it also depends on
Oo.
your kids.
Yeah. So it's
Ah,
yung baby nail clipper with a file and yung complete set.
okay.
Dala-dala ko
That's
yun
intense.
before. Oo, intense siya. Kahit 1 hour lang kami wala sa bahay, ganyan, I still bring it. I don't know why, but I still bring it. Hindi ko alam. Tapos, may nagsabi dito si Mommy Lendl, oils. I also have like a stash of oils, essential oils. For every given
Yes.
situation, I have that ready. Pero nawala na yon. Hindi na siya naka-move on na ako doon sa, sa
Sad.
phase na yon.
Yes. Yung laging dinadala ni Mommy Marie, yung purifier, which is the
Oh,
Aller and UV
mm,
Care. Yes.
yes.
Medkit. Actually, yung medkit, hindi ko talaga siya maiwan.
Ako din. Even
It's
sa
so, ang
personal
hirap
bag ko.
eh. Although, it's also a blessing that you don't have to use it, di ba?
Yeah, correct.
Kaya lang kasi, parang sometimes you just want to be ready.
Mm-mm. Tama yan.
Si Mommy Jigs, ito, interesting to. Laging may dalang rubber shoes and sandals para may pagpipilian ako.
This is intense. Kung nandito ako sa pagiging overpacker, siguro si Mommy
Oo.
Jigs eto.
Alam mo, never ko dinala yan. Extra.
Really?
Unless like matagal kami dun sa place na yun. Siyempre
Mm.
kasi kailangan mo ng slippers, kailangan mo ng sandals, saka ng ano.
Mm.
Pero kung hindi naman, okay, that's a little interesting.
Yes.
Creams din for boo-boo, insect bites, kung
Mhm.
ano-ano pang creams. Ano bang creams talaga? Ako sunscreen lang at saka mosquito bites.
You
Or
know,
off
this is the
lotion.
reason why I bring essential oils. Because
Aha,
for the
aha.
bites and all that, kasi effective sa kids ko. Oo. Naging oil bolaria ako for like a couple
Yeah,
of
I know that.
months. Alam mo yan?
Yes. Oo.
Yun.
Ako ay, ano, wala talaga akong tiyaga sa mga ganyan. Kahit yung mga candles ko, minsan hindi ko na nga nalalight or na ano, pero oils pa kaya. Lalo na if you're going to concoct or magtitimpla
Mm.
ko on your own, ay, no.
Oo. I don't know. That's been very interesting for me. Tapos iba-ibang klase ng base oils, carrier oils, ganyan. Basta meron ako, I have one that I will never run out of all the time. It's the hindi ko na siya minimix actually. Kasi it's okay lang naman one drop, but I have lavender, the lavender oil, very potent, tsaka peppermint. Yun ang two two best oils, two favorite oils. Pang ano, all around yan. Insect bites, pasain, everything, ganon. Okay.
And then, alam mo, natawa ako dito, nasal aspirator. Although ako, may dala ako sometimes. Pag may ano, pag medyo malamig yung weather doon or what, baka sipunin. So,
Mm-mm.
yes, I bring that
Yes, me too.
nasal aspirator.
Oo. Tapos yung nasal aspirator pa na ano, yung may tube. Tapos nasa maliit
Dihigo.
na lalagyan dyan. Oo, ganon.
And then, artwork materials. Ewan ko mamaya, pero may mga nagdadala ba sa inyo nun? Kasi ako minsan I bring. Pero
Mm-mm.
hindi pala siya nagagamit.
Oo. Crayons. I used to bring crayons. Tsaka extra ano, coloring books, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos
Saan mo
hindi nagagamit.
ginagamit?
That's
O
true.
saan mo daw ginagamit yung peppermint, friend?
Sa peppermint, ano sa ko ba ginagamit ang peppermint before? I think sa ants, kasi ants are scared of, ano, they don't like the smell of peppermint. So, if like,
Mhm.
punta kami sa kainan, ganyan, tapos hindi ako, scared ako may ants, lalagyan ko sa pulse points, gano'n. Naka-crazy yan sa akin si Frey. Pero yes, yun. Takot sila sa ano, they don't like the smell. Even at home, pag ako na rin maraming ants somewhere, like, tas hindi ko alam kung saan hanapin. I have the peppermint spray, tapos yun, nawawala sila. Pwede bang
You do
direct sa
you,
skin?
friend.
Sorry, yeah. Pwede bang direct sa skin? If it's mixed with, ano, if it's a baby, kasi may certain parang dilution, ganon. So, check mo na lang kung ilang taon yung baby mo, tapos ano yung dilution, how many drops per ml ng carrier oil. You have to mix it. Kasi hindi mo pwedeng nangyari yan before eh. I applied like lavender sa ano yun, insect bite. Tapos medyo nag-red yung skin niya, so it can be irritating for babies.
Yup, yup.
There. We can talk about that next time.
Hindi ko
My
alam, friend,
obsession and
yeah.
my
Pero parang
craziness.
hindi ko kakayanin yung kung oils lang. Sorry. Pero that's one of the, what do you call that? I wouldn't say fad,
Oo.
pero I know a lot of moms who got hooked with that then.
Oh yes. Until
Oils.
now. Until
Super
now.
dami. Pero parang kasi may nagsabi sa akin one time. So, ino-offer nila sa akin
Mm.
yung, I forgot what brand.
Young living.
But, yes. Sabi niya sa akin, oh, mommy, try this oil. Pwede
Mm-mm.
nitong patulugin yung anak.
Mm-mm.
So,
It
for me
delivered.
naman, I mean, for me, it just sounded crazy. So, I
Mm-mm.
feel like if that worked, then a lot of moms will not have issues putting their
Yeah.
babies to bed. So, yun. Tsaka I think for me, ayoko lang, para kasi ang dami mo ng gamit sa bahay and you
Oo, totoo
don't
yan.
want to add anything anymore. But of course, you do you, moms.
Yes.
O- Oil Bulario moms.
Yes, all Galari moms.
Yes, yes.
But that's true
And,
naman, ano, kasi kanya-kanya din eh, di ba?
oo
Sometimes it
naman.
works, sometimes it doesn't. So, if you want to try it, go ahead, try it. If you don't, it's okay also.
Yes, oo. Kayo naman bahala, mommy.
Sure.
Siyempre, di ba? We're not gonna stop you. So, we can go with the last section of our um,
Yes.
breastfeeding on the go, which is like the tips when traveling. So, may mga nagre-request like, especially for the long haul flights. May isa pang infographic for the flights. Pero eto, this is like in general.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the tips that I've learned throughout the process, as you get used to traveling and being on the go. So number one for me, it's always creating a checklist when traveling. So iba-iba yan eh. Depends on where you go, how many days, ganyan. You really have to create a checklist. Kasi some of the craziness that I've experienced is not knowing exactly what to bring or yung feeling mo na, shucks, baka may malimutan ako. So um, the only solution for that is to create a checklist. And then you also have to prepare your bags ahead of time. Yung before I've also experienced the same day, morning off, I would pack my bags. But it's really not helpful at all if you pack it the same day because you'll never know na kunwari yung anak mo super may tantrums that morning, di ba? So parang it's hard to
Mm-hmm.
focus. So okay, I do it when he's asleep, when he's playing. So
Yes.
at least you have um, you're taking your time to prepare everything.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And then, ako, depending on where I go, I also check the freezers for me or the
Mm-hmm.
refrigerators at least. Yung
Yes.
hotel ba na pagstayan namin or resort, meron ba silang ref or freezer if in case I need to pump? Yun, inaalam ko yun. And then some moms also would like to check yung mga lactation rooms.
Yes. Ako, I do that.
Oh,
Kahit saan kami pupunta, may lactation room ba? Is there a place where I can pump, ganyan, express milk or whatever? Yun.
yes. And then, Franny, do you want to continue our
Yes,
tips?
you have to make sure you charge your breast pump in advance. So, well, kami kasi ni Freddy, meron kaming pump for traveling, may pump for ganito, may pump for ganyan. So we have lots of, ano, we have lots of items for any occasion. So, for me, I make sure that I bring out my pump for traveling already, tapos naka-charge na siya. And I make sure it's fully charged. Kaya siya separate is because when I was pumping, I would pump at nights also. Or I would pump at work tapos may travel the following day, ganyan. So meron akong talagang i-grab ko na lang na hindi gamit yung battery. So that when I need it, it's there. So make sure you charge it in advance and then feed your baby on demand. So that's why it's important you have your nursing covers kasi kapag basta naging finicky ang babies ninyo, more often than not hungry yan. So, yun, para ma-avoid ninyo yung hassle, yung stress of trying to calm them down, yan, feed them on demand. And then of course, ito, Franny, you do this all the time. No? You bring your own baby's eating utensils. So, may pang-travel din ba si Titan na na utensils?
Yes.
Yon.
Well, ako kasi yung ginagamit ko, pang bahay din naman. So, but
Mm-mm.
pero siya kasi yung Oxotot din ba? May traveling case. Nilalagay ko lang doon. Actually, like kanina, nag-lunch kami sa labas. So, minsan kasi, like I've experienced na when you travel, sometimes walang teaspoon
Yeah.
or di kaya yung plate babasagin. Syempre, ayaw mo naman na mabasag or something. So,
Mm-hmm.
for me, ako nagdadala ako ng baonan din. Ganyan. And I usually bring my baby's own food. Kasi ako, medyo mas strict ako when it comes to his food eh. So,
Mm-mm.
nagbabaon talaga ako. Like, if, for example, mag, magpipizza kami, ganun, eh, siya hindi naman talaga siya. Like, it cannot be his only meal.
Mm-mm.
He can have pizza, but after his rice, gulay, and yun. And
And then,
then,
oo,
go ahead, Fred.
go. Nagsabay pa tayo.
Go,
So,
go.
of course, bring lots of snacks like we've mentioned earlier, no? So keep a stash of snacks, the favorite ones especially. My kids love Oreo, so we always have Oreo on stock tapos nakalagay sa bag. Na ready to bring all the time. Yun.
Sorry, nalis ko na siya. Pero, yes, yung snacks, so very important.
Mhm.
Ako naman, I also bring like fruits, tapos may
Mm-mm.
snack on the side.
Yes.
So, minsan kasi, I don't know why, pero syempre, mas nakakabusog kasi yung fruits. So, minsan
True.
nangihingi pa siya. And I feel like mas nasasatisfy fruits. And
Yes.
mas love din naman niya talaga yan. So, a lot of times, for example, in school, uuwi, tapos check mo yung baon.
Mm-mm.
Um, yung snack niya or yung nasa plastic yung hindi niya kakainin. Tapos kakainin niya apples niya or strawberries niya, ganon. So, So yeah.
Yes. There.
Yes.
My
And
son
then,
loves apples. So, kung may babaon siya, apples and grapes. Yan. Pag nakakita siya ng apples and grapes, ay wala na. Yun yung
yeah.
number one sa list niya eh. Apples, grapes. Tapos kapag kami Oreo, dead na siya sa Oreo. Apples and grapes siya, ganon.
Yes, preference talaga, no, Fernie. Pero ako, yeah, I do my best to bring healthier food options kasi lalo na pag lumalabas, ang hirap din kasi pakainin ng food from the restaurant. Minsan, di mo alam how it's prepped, di ba? Or di kaya ayaw niya or may allergy
Mm-mm.
pala siya doon. So, yun medyo tricky.
True.
And then, our last part of this is yung pagka may long flight and vacation. So, meron din mga nag-comment before na paano pagka kunwari you have a trip abroad, internationally. So, ito, I've done this multiple times na. So, kailan ba yun? Last year, I stayed in my husband's house in California for like a month, almost a month. And then the year before that, for 2 weeks naman nagstay kami doon. So medyo may mga improvement na ako and alam ko na ang gagawin. Pag kami mga travel international, ayan. So these are the tips that really worked for me and for my baby. So yun. So if you are still breastfeeding, it's really best to nurse your baby during takeoff and landing. So medyo, kasi sila bothered sila when it's takeoff and pag palanding airplane kasi nga, it's scary for them, di ba? They don't know. And usually dyan umiiyak yung mga babies because of the turbulence. Or
Mm-mm.
yung parang super ingay
Oo.
na
Yung air
prep.
pressure too.
Yes, the air pressure also.
Mm-mm.
So it's
So,
good for their ears. Yeah.
yeah. I also read a scientific study about yung how it affects children, especially for my kid. So for autistic children, it's very different kasi yung sound, it brings them like physical pain. So, iba yung sensation sa kanila nung sound and all that. So this first point is, it encompasses all kinds of children.
Yes. Yes. And then, akin, it worked then na if you book your flights during when he needs to sleep. Yun. So ako, minsan tinatime ko for nap time niya, ganyan. Kasi dun siya especially for me, may schedule kasi yung anak ko din eh. So at least kapag alam niya na it's time for him to sleep, yun, I try to book it at the same time kung saan siya matutulog he, para most of the time, tulog siya. Parang gano'n. But as they get older, parang wala na ding choice eh. Pag antok-antok, pag gising-gising. So, yeah, that's okay. And then sagutin lang natin the friendly from Mommy
Yes.
June, how do you handle kids who cry during flights? So there can be a lot of reasons why your baby cry, in the plane. Or Pero most of the time, it's something new. It's a little scary for them. Kasi sa
Yeah.
atin nga minsan as adults, nakakatakot yung flights, di ba? So, of course, it's also for them. If, for example, naka-seatbelt sign, of course, you really can't do anything but, pacify him on your lap. Pero
Mm-mm.
this is when, kunwari, hindi mo pa pinapanood, I think this is the best time kung talagang wala na talagang magawa, or to help pacify them. Siguro you make them do something new or watch something new perhaps. Or siguro kung meron ka ibang laruan, like ibang gamit sa bag mo that he hasn't seen before.
Yeah.
Uh, and then, kapag ka hindi naman naka-seatbelt sign, then I would suggest to go around, lakad kayo, ganun, and then try to pacify him kasi usually they're just scared.
Mm-mm. It's also important to understand kung ano yung root cause ng crying. So, how old is your child? Meron ba kayong na-notice na other conditions? Is he or she like this kapag sumasakay ng sasakyan? What type of vehicles? Is it because of noise? It's important to understand where the fear is coming from because crying is a sign of fear, whether, fear of the unknown, fear of the feeling, fear of the sensation, ganyan. For autistic children, it's really definitely the air pressure, yung feeling, and then also coming into an enclosed space, baka mamaya may condition pala yung anak nyo, it could be claustrophobia or something. Pero kasi syempre kapag babies pa and wala pang experience of flying, they don't know that they're up in the air and that they're
Yeah.
thousands of feet up in the air, right? So wala pa silang ganong sensation. So it could be coming from something. Now, it's been very helpful kasi most of the time, at least in terms of like scientific studies, no, most of the time, yung talagang yung sensation ng air pressure, yun ang nakakapag-cause um ng fear sa kanila, right? Kasi what is this feeling? Ganyan, bakit biglang masakit
Oo.
yung ulo ko, masakit yung
Yeah.
ears ko, and I don't understand. So, it helps if you have like a muffler, bring a muffler. May ko nababasa na ganong tips na parang pag naka-muffler yung babies or yung kids, nababawasan yung tendency nila to feel that sensation. If not muffler, kung gusto niyo earbuds also, it also helps. Kasi yung pressure na babawasan siya sa ears, no? So wala nung unknown feelings sa kanila. But yun,
Yeah.
understand first where the fear is coming from. Kasi if you're a frequent flyer, tapos ganito yung lagi mo na-experience, it's going to be very stressful for you as well.
Yeah. And also yung sa pressure nga na nafe-feel nila sa ears, Renny. So pagka try making them latch or
Yes.
padede ng like sa bottle or whatever, pero something that can help move their jaws para at
Mm-mm.
least, or maybe a snack or something para
Yes.
ma-ease yung pressure sa ears.
Yeah.
Ayun. And then I think the number one tip that I also tell moms is kapag ka meron kayong mga international flights, it's really hard to get medicines that you're not familiar with. So kung kunwari meron akong flight or a long vacation abroad, I go to the pedia for a list of meds that I can buy with her prescription in case something happens. Kasi like ako, minsan 1 month is a long time to be away, right? So a lot of things can happen. Pwede siya magka-viral sickness or, vomiting, LBM, whatever. So I always bring a list of medications or meds with me in case ng something happens. Kasi ang hirap ng over-the-counter and also with the time difference, lalo na pag urgent, ang hirap maghintay ng response also from a pediatrician. Yes, and then of course, bring safety blankets or toys. Don't forget stuff that can ease or make it easier for them. Yung mga blankets nila, mga pillows, like ako my baby has his own pillow na lagi niyang ano sa mukha pag natulog or what. Yun. Um, and then lots of age-appropriate activities. So for me, what worked is yung mga sticker books. So on the plane, for example, my baby loves insects. So I bought a sticker book specifically for the planes only, for the flights only. So dun niya lang nakita. So he spent maybe a good 3 hours, 2 hours there. So ang tagal nun, di ba? And so that really worked well for him. So he loves insects. So bumili ako ng sticker books na different kinds of butterflies, different kinds of beetles, ganyan. And then he was just playing with it, dinidikit na kung saan-saan, ganon. So yun, saves a lot of time. And then obviously snacks. And for me, because hindi mo alam kung magugustuhan ng baby mo yung meals sa plane, nagdala ako ng sarili kong pagkain. Especially up until it's good for like 3 meals before kami makarating dun sa bahay na asawa ko.
Yeah, that's a great
And
idea.
something also that I would recommend is bring extra milk in case of emergency. So this one is because hindi mo kasi alam yung mga pwede mangyari, especially when you're in another country or what.
Yes.
For example, magkasakit ka and you can't make him latch. I think ako before nagdala ako ng formula just for sanity kung kunwari maiwan ako or something, or something can happen.
Mm-mm.
Tapos, my baby can only stay with my husband. At least meron siyang something in case na may so, ayun.
Yeah.
Or you can also bring milk, your own milk. Kung kunwari may
Mm.
mga naka-freeze ka na milk, pwede naman siyang dalhin sa airport. They
Yeah.
are very lenient, especially when you have kids. Like,
Mm.
magdala ka ng kahit anong food dyan, liquid, di ba yung liquid, bawal yan sa security. But if you have kids, then, of course, very understandable. So, bring extra fluids for your kids because you never know, like, when they need it.
Yeah. And then also add ko lang, Freddy, I think I forgot to mention this now when we were discussing. But like for long haul flights, if your kids have condition, because these are things that I researched also because my kid has autism. Paano ba yung seating arrangement dyan? Ganyan. If your child is special or they have a condition, call your airline. Or minsan 'di ba sa online booking may option na doon to declare kung
Yes.
DWD declare because they will put you like in a seat where it's most easy for you to move around tapos you to get immediate attention from the flight attendants, no. So yeah, they could seat you like in front, like right in front para mas easier access sa toilets and all that. Tapos bigger space for you to walk around if the seatbelt sign is off. So yun, make sure to declare those things. And then very very helpful tong tips na to kasi ako I don't do like long haul flights. Or haven't done long haul flights with my family. And so especially the last point, Franny, when you said bring extra milk, ano yan eh, parang these are things that you would forget. Kasi, oh, you're expecting that you're gonna be with them all the time, right? So, thank you for sharing that.
Yeah. So yun lang, just okay din kasi mag-plan or minsan, 'di ba, we get paranoid when we think of certain scenarios. Pero like you never know kasi like for kung kunwari, 'di ba, ma-delay ka or something and then mawalan ka ng milk because of the stress and the travel. Or humina yung output mo. Diba? So you can never tell kung ano yung pwede mangyari. So it's just important to have like extra. Especially if your baby is still dependent on milk. Yun yung mahirap eh. Minsan kasi, or if your baby is older, syempre you can buy time by feeding them snacks or something, right? Or water. Pero yung hindi pa talaga, yun, that's something that is very important. I would say like just bring extra or maybe kahit formula for, emergency purposes. Yung wag naman sana, di ba may mangyari sa'yo, maaksidente ka. And then, you don't want your husband to be scrambling and taking care of you or sending you to the hospital and also thinking about how to feed your baby. So, yun lang yung parang naiisip ko before.
Correct, correct.
Yun. So that's about it. And of course, we're gonna share the list multiple lists pala to on our feed. But how are we gonna do the giveaway tonight, friend?
Yes. Oh,
Sorry. Okay. Yeah, but
okay.
but
We're gonna do the
nawala.
giveaway, no? So,
Yes. So yeah, just I don't know, just comment or siguro comment something that you have heard for the first time. Like what's a good tip and that you've heard for tonight and something that
yes.
you can apply.
Oo. What did you learn from tonight? I think, hold on, let me put a thread. I'll
Oo,
put in
Franny,
giveaway
mag-thread ka
thread.
muna.
Giveaway thread. And then you can post your answers there. So again, it's one thing that you learn or something that stuck with you in this entire discussion. Yeah, hold on. I'm posting it right now. There. Comment nyo lang dun ha. Remember,
Yes.
it has to be in the thread, otherwise it will not be seen kasi syempre malulunod siya sa comments. That's why we're organizing this way. Bukod sa
Yes.
OC lang talaga. Ayun. Okay, sige. So again, comment your learning, or what did you take away from everything that we've shared today? There.
Right, right.
Okay.
And you can win the Super Mama Love for tonight.
Yes.
Super Mama Love insulated bag.
Yep,
So
yep, yep.
something that you heard or listened for the first time, or maybe something that you are excited to do on your next trip.
Yep.
Let us know in the comments.
Yes.
And yes, that's it. And then we'll just read them. And
We, we can raffle the winners as
yes,
usual.
we can raffle the winners as usual. Yes. So
Ayun.
I think, Franny, that's about it for tonight.
Yes. We went over time again, so thank you for sticking with
Oh,
us.
yes. Yep.
Thank you for your patience, ganyan. So, we will have more discussions in the future. Please let us know. If you learned something in today's episode, we're happy to hear that. And if you're hearing this message, of course, you've listened to the entire episode, ayan. And for that, we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and we hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave us a review in the NipTalk page, and share this episode with others. Again, it's not just in Facebook, it's on Spotify, it's also in YouTube. It will be on Spotify and YouTube after kasi medyo delayed telecast tayo sa medium
Yeah.
na yon, but it will be posted. And maybe somebody later on ipopost namin sa page yung tips so that you can share with your friends as well, if they weren't able to join the episode. Yun.
Actually, Franny, there are some moms who said that they will just watch it on Spotify. So it's so cute.
Oh, so cute. I love it.
Yes, kasi and I get it naman. Like some people, and personally ako din, I don't really
Mm-mm.
watch live videos, right?
Yes.
And it's more for people who wants to, who want to interact or something. But it's okay. Of course, we're also happy to talk to other moms, real
Mm-mm.
time. But there are some moms who can't attend, especially on a Sunday. So we're also happy for them to just listen on their own time. So
Correct.
thank you also for those who watched, and let us know in the comments, if you want other topics to be discussed in the future, get in touch or let us know. But we'll see you again next time for a new episode, and our next episode will have a special guest.
Yes. The point twos have a special guest
The
all the
point
time.
twos. Yes. Yes. So exciting. All
Yes.
right. Good
All
night,
right.
mommies, and
Good
happy Sunday.
night. Happy Sunday,
Bye.
everyone.